Hello students, I am Monica. Today I am going to explain you a lesson, Air Pollution of Class 8 Biology. Children, we know about air pollution and pollutants that cause air pollution. Let's revise once again. Pollution is defined as the disturbance in the balance of air components by the presence of a substance with harmful effects. These substances responsible for causing air pollution are called pollutants. So, let's know about one of the major causes of air pollution. And important pollutants like chlorofluorocarbons and their effects in this topic. After completion of this lesson, you will be knowing about one of the major causes of air pollution. Depletion in ozone layer. Greenhouse effect and global warming. Effects of global warming causes and effects of acid rain. Effects of air pollution on Taj Mahal. Air pollutants, sources and effects and control of air pollution. Keywords: chlorofluorocarbons, ozone layer, global warming, greenhouse effect and acid rain. Let's know about one of the major causes of air pollution. One of the major chemical pollutants causing air pollution are chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. These are used in refrigerators, air conditioners and aerosol sprays. Use of CFCs pollute air by depleting the ozone layer, as a result of which harmful ultraviolet rays reach the earth. Let's learn about depletion of ozone layer. Depletion of ozone layer. The ozone layer is present below the stratosphere at the height of 48 kilometers from the Earth's surface. It protects the living world of Earth from ultraviolet rays, UVB radiance from the sun. However, the ozone layer is getting damaged because of harmful CFCs, allowing the ultraviolet rays reaching the earth and causing diseases like skin cancer. Greenhouse effect and global warming. The sun rays warm the earth's surface. Part of the radiation that falls on the earth is absorbed by it, and a part is reflected back into the space. A part of the reflected radiation is trapped by the atmosphere. The trapped radiation further warms the earth. Though CO2 is present in very less quantity in the atmosphere, it plays very important role of absorption of solar heat. Over the last 100 years, proportion of CO2 has been increased due to industrialization. This CO2 increases the earth's temperature and is called greenhouse effect. Similar to CO2, nitrous oxide, methane and CFC also trap the heat. These are called as greenhouse gases. Global warming has become a major concern for governments worldwide. Many countries have reached an agreement to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases. The Kyoto Protocol is one such agreement. What consequences are caused by global warming? Let's see the effects of global warming. Global warming results in melting of ice cap and glaciers, causing increase in sea level. It increases in frequency of floods, soil erosion and unseasonal rains. It causes loss of biodiversity due to extinction of coral reefs and other key species. It is one of the causes for spreading waterborne and insect-borne diseases. It leads to disturbances in agricultural yields and distribution of wild animals. Now we'll know about acid rain. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen are released into atmosphere through burning of coal, timber and fuel oils. Those oxides mix with rainwater and form acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, nitrous acid, etc. These acids mix with raindrops and snowflakes and come down as rain, called as acid rain. Do you know what are the effects of acid rain? Let's see here. Effects of acid rain. The acidity of soil and water bodies increases due to acid rain. It harms the aquatic organisms, plants and entire forest life. Total ecosystems are adversely affected. Erosion of buildings, historical monuments, bridges, metal idols, etc. occurs due to acid rain. Heavy metals like mercury and cadmium are absorbed up by plants and thereby enter the food chain indirectly due to acid rain. Effects of air pollution on Taj Mahal. All of us know about Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal, one of the world wonders and India's most famous tourist attraction, located in Agra. It is sad to know that Taj Mahal is badly affected by air pollution, resulting in discoloration of its beautiful white marble. Experts have warned that air pollutants are discoloring its white marble. The industries like rubber processing, automobile, chemicals in Agra and Mathura oil refinery have been responsible for producing pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide react with water vapor producing acid rain. Acid rain corrodes the marble of the monument. The phenomenon is called marble cancer. Suspended particulate matter such as the soot particles emitted by Mathura oil refinery has contributed towards the yellowing of the marble. Let's observe the important pollutants, their sources and effects caused by them shown here in the table. How can we protect our earth from negative impacts of air pollution? Primitive measures for reducing the air pollution. We need to protect our environment. So, reducing the use or ban the sources that generate chlorofluorocarbons is important measure to reduce air pollution. Planting more trees can reduce the carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere and this reduce global warming. This can protect our earth from negative effects caused by depletion of ozone layer. global warming and acid rains. Let's recap the lesson. Carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, carbon dioxide, methane and sulfur dioxide are the major pollutants of air. Increasing the levels of greenhouse gases like CO2 are leading to global warming. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen mix with rainwater and form acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, nitrous acid, etc., causing acid rain. Acid rain corrodes the marble of the Taj Mahal.